You gotta teach me a Japanese curse word.
No, why?
Because I wanna learn. No? That's the first thing you learn in the language.
No. Hi, I'm Rie.
Hi, I'm Gadiel. Last time I challenged Rie to make a Dominican dish solely in Spanish. This time, the tables have turned. She's challenging me to make a Japanese dish while she explaining it to me in Japanese.
はい、ガディエルは今日私たちが何を作るか知りません。そして私はガディエルに日本語でしか料理を教えることができません。
This is not gonna be easy.
So this is the ingredients.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a little Japanese lesson so we can go over ingredients in Japanese. 牛肉、玉ねぎ、絹さや、じゃがいも、人参、砂糖、醤油、ごま油、みりん、酒。
Got it.
So this dish is Japanese home cooking.
Yeah.
Something you don't find in restaurants.
So this is like when you're young, this is like the first dish you learn how to make.
Yeah.
Okay. So what am I gonna expect? So this is like a soup?
We'll see. Are you nervous?
I am a little nervous.
You
I don't want to
need
mess
to
this
be.
up. I don't want to mess this up.
Why you won't be? I will give you instruction
Okay.
in Japanese.
I know.
Ready?
Yes.
じゃあまず最初に
See what she said.
玉ねぎ覚えてる？玉ねぎ。
Tamanegi, grab the onion.
Yes!
Oh
my
God!
Come back! 皮を剥いて
Okay. Take this off, right?
Yes. 半分に切って
Okay. Cut it.
半分
In half.
はい
Yeah.
Wow.
I think Google half.
Is this how you cut onion? No. こっからタッタッタッタッタ
Oh, okay. We got this.
We got this. No need to be nervous.
Okay.
Gadiel, it's simple and this is just cooking.
Okay.
Yeah, we are not saving world. 人参
Ninjin.
それは牛肉
Yeah?
違います
Okay. Ninji.
人参違いますそれ人参
Ninji. Carrot.
このヘタと先をちょっと切りちょっとだけそうで皮を剥きます
Oh, so it's
Yeah, but でも
Oh, okay. This is how you do it. I haven't peeled anything in a long time.
Do you cook at home?
I do, but I haven't done it in a long time. There we go. We did it.
はいじゃあ人参を切ります乱切り
Langiri. Do little circles. Aki. Like,
そう秋 Aki in Japanese, aki is autumn, like season, fall season.
in an angle?
Yeah, angle. So,
Oh, okay. Like a plátano.
yeah, this called rangiri. It's not a certain shape. It's kind of different. Oh, your finger. When you cut something, also like you want to hold like this.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Crawl.
So we learned something together right here.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this.
Nice. Alright, じゃあ次、じゃがいも剥きます。
Is that the beef? No, this is the potatoes. And you want me to peel the potatoes?
はい。Japanese and Spanish sounds similar.
Similar in a sense? Somewhat. My aunt's always posting pictures of my little Japanese cousins singing. They think they're bachata artists.
What's bachata?
Bachata is a Dominican music. You want to learn?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop.
Oh,
1,
okay.
2, 3, stop. There you go. My mom sees me making a mess like this in her kitchen, she will kill me. She would be like, te voy a tirar de la ventana pa que caiga explotado. Which the exact translation is, I will throw you out the window so you will land and explode.
剥いたじゃがいもを切ります。
Jagaimo kirimasu?
はい。おー、すごい。
Hey.
じゃがいも切ります。
Okay, jagaimo kirimasu, which means we're gonna cut it down or?
Yes. じゃあまず半分に切って半分。
Hanbun.
いや、見た。
Mitad.
はい。Do you remember how to count?
A little bit. Ichi, ni, san, chi, go, lu, hich, hach, kuju.
Yes.
Yes? Oh!
Knife.
My bad. I'm so sorry.
All right. Good job.
Woo!
Okay.
I did it. How I said I did it in Japanese?
できた。
Dicta.
Yes. じゃあ次に絹さや。
Kinusaya. This right here.
はい。を でまずここを折って筋を取ります。
This is so cool. This reminds me of my country. Like the pigeon peas, like we'll wash it, hand wash it. We pick out the bad ones. The rice, whatever rice had the peels, we'll take it out one by one.
Yeah, it's like sitting down the table and with grandma.
Yes,
right?
it reminds you of family.
Hey.
It smells like home.
はい、じゃあ野菜を全部切り終わりました。この野菜を炒めます。
We're gonna grab all this and we're gonna cook it.
そうです。
Operation Tomodachi.
Operation Tomodachi.
Yeah.
Yeah. ごま油。
ごま油。
大さじ1入れてください。
I'm gonna put water in there, right?
違う。
No, we're gonna turn this on.
違う。ごま油。
ごま油。
ごま油。
ごま
油。
The oil.
Yes.
Okay.
はい。じゃあ大さじ。
We're gonna put the oil first.
大さじ1。1は
1は
Do you remember 1?
1 is one of these, right?
No, no, 1 is.
Is the meat.
1 is.
Oh, 1.
Yeah. で、大さじ
大さじ
1。
1. Okay. Okay.
うん。
Okay.
So 大さじ1 tablespoon.
Tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon.
はい。ナイス。じゃあ次に玉ねぎ。
玉ねぎ. So grab the onion.
はい。入れて。
And put it, all of it?
はい。人参。
人参, that's the.
はい。Wow, good job.
There you go, that's a carrot.
じゃがいも。
And the potato.
はい。Wow.
That's it, yo. Japan and Dominican Republic in the house right
Yes. Okay, so Gadiel, let's じゃあ混ぜましょう。
here. Okay, let's stir this up.
はい。
Okay, so we don't want the bottom to burn, am I right?
はい。材料がごま油にこう絡んでくる。
Okay, keep stirring it. They really want to like mix in the onion, the carrots, and the potatoes, right?
はい。水。
Mitsu?
水。
Mizu.
水。
Water.
Yes.
Water.
300。
300.
おお。はい、じゃあガリエル、水が沸いたので、
Okay.
牛肉。
which is the beef, right?
はい。
はい。
よく覚えてた。入れます。
We're gonna do the whole meat in there? Okay.
1枚ずつ。
Okay.
そうそう。で、yeah.
Don't just drop it all in there.
そう。で、じゃあちょっと混ぜましょうか。
Okay. Stir this up.
そんな感じで大丈夫。
Alright?
はい。
Just leave it like that?
じゃあ次に酒とみりんを入れます。
Okay, so that's when we add the sake.
はい。酒を大さじ1。
Sajini.
That's good. で、みりん大さじ。
You want me to put this one too?
はい。大さじ2。はい。
You know what? When I was young, I took Seido karate.
空手
Karate.
Yeah.
Martial arts and stuff like that. But I was a kid, so I don't remember half of the things. Ich, ni, san, chi, go. Don't know why, but that's how they taught us. I never fought in my life in the street like.
はい。じゃあ砂糖。
Sato. So let it.
砂糖。
Sato, that means to leave it
違
alone?
う。砂糖。
Sato means.
砂糖は材料の一つ。
Does that mean to put this in there?
砂糖どれですか？
砂糖 is the sugar?
はい。大さじ2。
Sajini. So that's 2.
覚えてる。1、2。
Oh, you saw that, y'all? She said it all in Japanese, y'all. And I listened.
醤油。
You told me this before.
醤油。
This right here.
はい。醤油を大さじ5。
Oh, Shai,
大さじ
the 3, right?
5。1。
Ni, san, chi, four. Oh, 4.
No 1
Ich, ni, san, chi, go, 5.
はい2 You're still shaking それで蓋を作ります
Okay.
It's origami time
Okay, oh,
は
awesome.
いじゃあこれを
Okay,
コーナー
you're going to put this corner right here.
正方形に
Right here? Did I mess that up? Look,
No,
it has to
you
be
did
like
it,
corner.
you did it. Yeah, you did great で次にこのコー
We
ナー
did the first one.
Yes じゃあ次にこれを
Okay, this one gonna go over
Hi.
here. Make sure I. You know, this reminds me of Marie Kondo right now.
Why?
Because she teaches you how to fold and all that stuff. Now I fold my clothes like she does.
So I'm like a cooking Marie Kondo.
Yeah, you are.
次ここでここ。
So the whole thing, oh, so we're gonna fold it in half.
はい。そうそうそうそう。で、最後にこれをここ。一直線になる。
We did it.
We did it!
We did it. This is like a paper plane.
そう、それでこれを、
Yeah.
はい、持って。真ん中に合わせて、ここを切ります。
You gonna cut it in there?
うん。ここ切って。
So we're gonna clip, want me to cut the rest of it from there. Wow! No!
で、ここに
No!
蓋になります。It's a good lid. で、これを
Does everybody know this? Like how to do this? Like,
I learned at the culinary school. This lid is very useful when you're braising stuff.
wow!
It's a technique.
Are y'all getting this? Y'all getting this up there?
じゃあ10分から15分ぐらい煮ます。もしくはじゃがいもに火が通るまで。
What she said.
Then 取りましょう。はい。
Wow.
絹さや。
Kinosaya. No, this.
はい。
This.
うん。
And then we're gonna drop this in there?
はい。入れて。
はい。
はい。お、ゆっくりね。ジェント。
That gentle? Oh, you
これ
leave
でい
it
い。
in
う
there?
ん。これで2、3分。
Okay.
Ni
Leave it alone.
sampun.
Ni sampun.
2、3分。
Ni is 1.
No.
Then 2.
うん。3。
Two, 3. Boom is 2 to 3 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah. And you're done.
Oh,
Yes.
we did it. We did it. High five.
Yes. じゃあ、ガディエル。
Okay. Oh, wow.
Make it nice.
Make it nice? Oh, okay.
はい。
Okay, I got it. So we put more caldo?
What's caldo?
Caldo is stew?
This is not the stew.
It's not the stew.
Yeah, so I think this is enough sauce.
It looks delicious though.
Yeah.
I can tell you that.
Yeah.
It's delicious. I'm dying to try it out.
Okay, and I'm going to bring mine and then
Okay.
we can compare. Right, Gadiel? This is
Wow. Why yours looks better than mine? The taste is
Taste
what matters.
is
You think it's gonna
important.
taste the same?
I
What do you-
think so. You did great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're so nice.
So you are dying to know the name of this dish,
Yes,
right?
I'm dying to know.
Okay, so this dish name is nikujaga.
Nikujaga.
So niku is meat, jaga is potato. So meat and potato.
Meat and potato.
Yeah.
Nikujaga.
So let's try mine first. Yeah, the game.
All right, let's do it.
And also this dish is tastier next day because it's like absorb all the nice flavor.
Interesting.
Tastes just like home.
Right?
And let's try yours.
All right.
It's delicious.
I like yours better.
I think it's because I made it yesterday.
Right.
I wanted to teach you this because you taught me pollo guisado.
See.
It's very homey food, right?
Yeah, I do feel like I'm at home. I take a bite and I'm like, I'm in Sasebo, Japan right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You like it?
I love
Are you
it.
gonna make it at home?
Yeah.
Gadiel is gonna make a home. He's
Yeah.
gonna tag me on the Instagram.
I will.
If you do it, please tag me on the Instagram. Gadiel on the Instagram. Do you wanna finish with dancing?
All right, let's do it. Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, hit.
Ich,
1, 2,
Nissan,
3,
hit.
hit.
Hip, right?